Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a topic that is incredibly important for those who are managing diabetes. A low carbohydrate food list. Stick around as we dive deep into the world of low carb options that are not only delicious, but also suitable for those with diabetes. Before we jump into the low carb food list, let's first understand the role of carbohydrates in our diet. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients that our bodies need to function properly, the other 2 being protein and fat. However, for individuals with diabetes, managing carbohydrate intake is crucial as it directly impacts blood sugar levels. Consuming too many carbohydrates can cause blood sugar spikes, while eating too few can lead to hypoglycemia. This is why it's essential for those with diabetes to be mindful of their carbohydrate consumption. Now, let's get into the good stuff, the low carbohydrate food list for diabetics. These foods are not only low in carbs, but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you feeling satisfied and nourished. 1. Non-starchy vegetables. Vegetables are a fantastic low-carb option for diabetics, as they are high in fiber and rich in vitamins and minerals. Some great non-starchy options include leafy greens like spinach and kale, cucumbers, bell peppers, broccoli, and cauliflower. These vegetables are not only low in carbs, but also versatile and easy to incorporate into your meals. 2. Lean proteins. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Opt for lean protein sources like skinless chicken breast, turkey, fish, and tofu. These options are low in carbs and can be grilled, baked, or sautéed for a delicious and filling meal. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are great low-carb snacks that are also packed with heart-healthy fats and protein. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent choices for those looking to keep their carb intake in check while adding a crunch to their meals. 4. Berries. While fruits can be higher in carbs, berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are lower in sugar and can be enjoyed in moderation by those with diabetes. These sweet treats are high in antioxidants and fiber, making them a great addition to your low-carb meal plan. 5. Dairy products. Dairy products like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and cheese are low in carbs and high in protein and calcium. These creamy options can be enjoyed as a snack or incorporated into meals for a boost of nutrients and flavor. 6. Healthy fats. Healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and nuts can add flavor and heart-healthy benefits to your meals. While fats are calorie-dense, they are essential for hormone production and cell function. Adding a drizzle of olive oil to your salads or a slice of avocado to your omelet can keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. Now that we've covered the low-carbohydrate food list for diabetics, let's talk about how you can incorporate these foods into your daily meals. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Meal planning. Planning your meals in advance can help you stay on track with your low-carb diet. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that includes a variety of low-carb options like vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. 2. Portion control. While low-carb foods can be beneficial, it's essential to pay attention to portion sizes to prevent overeating. Use measuring cups and food scales to ensure you're staying within your carb limits. 3. Snack smart. Keep low-carb snacks like nuts, seeds, and Greek yogurt on hand to prevent blood sugar spikes and keep hunger at bay. Having healthy options readily available can help you make better food choices throughout the day. 4. Experiment with recipes. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen and try new low-carb recipes. From zucchini noodles to cauliflower rice, there are endless ways to enjoy delicious and satisfying meals while keeping your carb intake in check. In conclusion, managing diabetes through a low-carbohydrate diet is not only possible, but can also be enjoyable and delicious. By incorporating a variety of low-carb foods like non-starchy vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals, you can keep your blood sugar levels stable and improve your overall health. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.